Samsung has introduced its new display technology and suggests that the Galaxy S10 will have the front camera and the fingerprint reader under the screen. Although there are still a few months until the presentation of the Galaxy S10, we can already guess some of the features that could find in the next flagship of the South Korean company. Among them, we can highlight that it is possible to integrate both of the fingerprint reader and the front camera under the screen. Unlike other manufacturers, Samsung has always been against the implementation of the notch on the screen of their devices. So far, the company has preferred to reserve a thin border at the top of include the front camera and their respective sensors, and to give more space to the panel on their flagship and moved the fingerprint reader to the back of the phone. The Samsung Galaxy S10 screen could present some news. Yesterday, October 18, the Samsung OLED Forum conference took place in China, an event in which the Korean giant revealed the characteristics of its new OLED screen technology. The company presented advances in the technology of its panels, including the implementation under the screen of the both fingerprint sensor and the front camera. So far, these features we had seen in the patent applications or rumors and leaks, but everything suggests that we could see them soon materialized in the real device, and the chances of this phone is the Galaxy S10 are very high. In addition to these developments, it is also possible that the screen of the Galaxy S10 is capable of transmitting sound, although at the moment it is not clear whether it is conventional speakers or some more advanced system, such as bone conduction technology. What the new Samsung Galaxy S10 panel technology seems to lack of a facial recognition system to unlock the devices, since the front camera module under the screen would not have a 3D scanner. At this moment, all this is conjecture and we still do not know for sure if the screen of the Galaxy S10 will equip the novelties presented in this conference, so we will have to wait until an official confirmation occurs. So yeah guys, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.